Welcome back, guys. This is a Blizzard Survival Guide.
Today we are going to talk about how to survive a blizzard.
A blizzard is an extreme weather event with very heavy snow and strong winds.
Some ways to detect a blizzard is if it's -7 degrees and 15 meters per second winds. You should stay inside at all costs and put rocks around the fire to reflect heat.
If you have hypothermia, you should wear heaps of layers instead of going near a fire.
If you're stuck in a car, turn on the motor every 50 minutes for 10 minutes.
Call 111 only if someone is hurt or you have no food and are snowed in.